Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Earth and Space Science test? This is test number 5572. Praxis 5572 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of Earth's processes and materials. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Which of the following instances shows a chemical change? Melting of ice cream, burning of wood, evaporation of ethyl alcohol, or sublimation of mothballs? The melting of ice cream, the evaporation of ethyl alcohol, the sublimation of mothballs are all physical changes. They change state, but they do not have an alteration in chemical composition, so these can be eliminated. Burning wood, on the other hand, this is a chemical change because it involves a chemical reaction, combustion, that produces new substances, ash, carbon dioxide, water vapor, etc. So burning wood is the correct answer here. Problem number 2. Which of the following correctly describes Boyle's law? The number of moles of a gas is directly proportional to its volume. This describes Avogadro's law, so we can cross that out. The volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature, and this is Charles' law, so we can cross that one out as well. The pressure of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature, and this is Gay-Lussac's law, so also incorrect. The volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. This law, Boyle's law, states that for a given amount of gas at constant temperature, the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. This means that as the pressure increases, the volume decreases and vice versa. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following is a type of fault that is formed by shear stress? Stripe slip fault, reverse fault, normal fault, or irregular fault? Beginning here. Irregular fault. This is not a standard term used to describe specific fault types formed by distinct stress conditions, so we can eliminate that. Normal fault. These are formed by tensional stress causing the hanging wall to move downward relative to the foot wall, and not the correct answer. Reverse fault. This is formed by compressional stress causing the hanging wall to move upward relative to the foot wall, so we can cross that out as well. Strike slip fault. This type of fault occurs when rocks on either side of the fault move horizontally past each other due to shear stress, which acts parallel to the fault plane, and that is the correct answer. Problem number 4. An earthquake is propagated throughout the Earth by seismic waves. Which of the following statements is true regarding seismic waves? S waves and P waves are both body waves. S waves and P waves are both surface waves. S waves are compression waves while P waves are shear waves, or S waves travel longitudinally while P waves travel transversely. Let's begin at the bottom. This is incorrect because P waves travel longitudinally, compression, and S waves travel transversely, shear. S waves are compression waves while P waves are shear waves. This is incorrect because P waves are compression, longitudinal waves, and S waves are shear, transverse waves. S waves and P waves are both surface waves. This is incorrect because surface waves, Love and Rayleigh waves, travel along the Earth's surface, not through its interior. Finally, we have S waves and P waves are both body waves. Both S waves, secondary waves, and P waves, primary waves, travel through the Earth's interior, which makes them body waves. And that is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of Earth's processes and materials for the Praxis 5572 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.